The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at what to do if your Google account has been hacked and your YouTube channel has been hijacked. Now, one of the first symptoms that you might as a YouTuber see is that somebody's uploaded a video and it wasn't you that uploaded it. So what do? You do a browser search and you put in something like YouTube channel was hacked, and the very first link that comes up is the official answer. Note the URL, it's support.google.com, and this is the preferred one to go to, simply because at the end of the day, the official word is better than anything else. There are obviously other options to look at, but I would always recommend, if there's an official answer, go for the official one. You might also start at YouTube and click on something like help at the left-hand side, and then type in something like YouTube channel was hacked, do a search, and the very first option that comes up is that same link. So let's actually go to that. And I'm going to scroll down to the bottom and open this in a new window so that it's easier to read. And here we are. It tells us what the symptoms might be of a hijacked YouTube channel. And also what to do if you can still sign into the Google account with which you own this particular YouTube channel, and what to do if you cannot. Now, this is the more likely scenario, and unfortunately, it's also the most difficult one to recover from. And then it finishes off with what to do with your Google account once you do regain control, hopefully. Now, there are options for further help, and I'm going to address this one very quickly here. Don't bother with this one. At least right now, as of April 2023, the English language help community for YouTube is read only. So you will not be able to ask the help community for further help. And I would normally help you in the community with something like this thread here, which I made just on that subject. I can't respond to it. It's locked, and you can't answer to it either. So it's not going to help you address your issue. So what can you do? You can contact creator support. The only problem there is that in order for you to have access to creator support using this particular link here, you must A, have control of the Google account with which B, you are a YouTube partner. And that obviously is not the most obvious and most possible option for a lot of us, because at the end of the day, the whole point of having lost control of your YouTube channel and your Google account because they were hacked is that you are no longer, in essence, a YouTube partner because you are not making contact with the correct Google account. So what can you do to make contact with YouTube and creator support? It may not be the most obvious answer, but what you do is you actually go to Twitter, and you might need to make yourself an account if you don't have one, and tweet to Team YouTube and tell them that you need access to the hijacking form because you believe your YouTube channel was hijacked. And that is how you establish contact with YouTube on this matter. Hopefully this will help you. I'll put all the links down below in the description, and all the best. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.